Hey, DJ.
Fluffy!
Oh, boy, are we glad to see you.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, we've got a great beat for CatRat's song, but we're having trouble with the words.
They don't rhyme.
They don't rhyme yet. But I bet we can come up with some rhyming words if we work together.
All right, now, give a listen. From the top, Fluffy.
Your friends are here to say surprise.
Jumping out before your nose? See what we mean?
We need a word that rhymes with surprise.
Okay, we can figure this out. Yeah, play it one more time.
Your friends are here to say surprise.
Jumping out before your
Eyes.
Face.
Which word rhymes with surprise? Eyes or face? Eyes.
surprise and eyes. Great rhyming.
Let's skip to the cake part.
Okay, ready? Your birthday cake smells so nice.
Grab a plate and grab a
Spoon.
Slice. Which word rhymes with nice? Spoon or slice? Slice.
That's perfect! Nice and slice!
We just need one more rhyme. Ready?
We've got gifts and decorations too.
We made them special just for today.
You! Fun!
Which word rhymes with to? Today, you, or fun? You!
To and you. Ha ha! Now our song totally rhymes.
Thanks for all your help!
Birthday song? Check!
Now we're ready to party, CatRat's style.
Come on, everybody! It's party time! Everybody's here! I love a good surprise party! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Beep, beep! So excited!
Whoa!
The room looks amusing! Now all we need is a birthday cat!
I'm on it. Calling CatRat, calling CatRat. Please report to the music room.
I'm coming!
Quick, everybody hide! I gotta hide!
Quick, he's coming.
Hiding!
When you see CatRat, yell, surprise!
A surprise party? For me?
Happy birthday, CatRat!
Oh! I thought everyone forgot my birthday.
Oh, CatRat, we can never forget about you.
Happy birthday, CatRat! Here's your birthday crown.
It's shiny and it's miney. I love it!
Happy birthday, CatRat.
Hello, handsome cake.
And wait till you hear this one, buddy. A special birthday song made with love. Hit it.
Is that Fluffy Flufferton? Hi, Fluffy.
Happy birthday, CatRat.
This one goes out to the one and only CatRat.
Happy birthday, dear CatRat. We're making sure that your day is all that it can be. You'll see.
Come on. Who's the cat we all adore?
CatRat.
Who makes a slap pops out of door?
CatRat.
So fly, so dry. He hates to get wet. He's as cute as a kitty can get. Sing it.
Happy birthday, dear CatRat. We're making sure that your day is all that it can be. You'll see.
Your friends are here before your eyes, jumping out to say surprise. And the cake can smell so nice. Grab a fork and grab a slice.
Happy birthday, dear CatRat. We're making sure that your day is all that it can be. You'll see.
Let me hear you say, hey!
Hey!
Oh!
Ho!
Who's the raddest cat you know?
CatRat.
Hey!
Hey!
Oh!
Ho!
It's the one and only CatRat, yo!
Happy birthday, dear CatRat. We're making sure that your day is all that it can be. You'll see. Happy birthday, CatRat!
There's one more gift for you to open, CatRat.
Yeah, open it up. I can't wait to see what's inside.
Oh, this? It's empty. I sent it myself to make sure you didn't forget my birthday. Besides, with all of you and the surprisingest surprise party ever, I already have the best gift in the world.
Aww.
Birthday hug.
We love you, CatRat.
Aww. Thanks, guys. I think this is the best birthday ever.
Aww.